Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, install Panda Touch Pro software and plug the device into your computer. Open Roblox and assign a dedicated key for touch inputs before joining any server. Next, calibrate sensitivity to 3, 5, and set debounce to 120 milliseconds for consistent wallhop inputs. Then enable macro mode inside the Panda app and record a basic tap-hold-release sequence for hopping on vertical surfaces. Save the profile and bind it to Roblox processes to ensure the device approach the wall at a 45-degree angle and jump toward its center for best bounce. Time your initial jump and immediately trigger the Panda macro as you touch the surface to perform the wall hop. Execute the tap-hold-release macro. Tap, hold 180 milliseconds, then release to regain momentum into the air. Combine sprint with left mouse to strafe and maintain speed after each wall hop. Repeat the sequence while chaining strafe inputs to move across multiple walls without losing velocity. Adjust sensitivity in 0, 5 increments and test with 10 consecutive hops to fine-tune your feel. If misfires occur, increase debounce to 150 milliseconds or reduce hold to 160 milliseconds and retest immediately. Use the Panda built-in tester to record real timing and compare against your macro settings for accuracy. Practice on low-latency Roblox servers to minimize network delay and maintain consistent hops. Finally, save multiple profiles for different maps and switch quickly if you encounter varied wall types or server lag during play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.